Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the Bank of America customized cash reward credit card. I will be breaking down its main features, pros and cons so that by the end of the video you will know if this card is a good fit for you. So before we get started, if you find this review helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more credit card reviews and personal finance tips. And if you are interested in getting some free stocks, check out the link that is given down in the description. All right, let's jump into the key features of this card. Now, first of all, there is a $200 sign up bonus. So if you spend $1,000 within the first 90 days of opening your account, that's about $333 a month, which is pretty manageable for most of the people. So when it comes to cashback, and this card offers some flexibility. You get 3% cashback in the category of your choice, which you can switch up to every month. Options include gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, home improvement. On top of that, you will get 2% cashback at grocery stores and wholesale clubs and 1% on everything else. However, there is a cap on how much you can earn at the higher rates. The 3 and the 2% cashback only apply to the first $2,500 when you spend each quarter. Anything beyond that earns just 1%. Now, if you are a Bank of America Preferred Rewards member, you can earn even more cashback. So, depending on your account balance, you can boost your cashback by up to 75%. That means your 3% category could turn into 5.25% cashback, and your 2% category can jump to 3.5%. So, not bad if you already have a significant balance with Bank of America or Merrill Lynch. Another feature worth mentioning is the 0% intro APR for the first 18 months on both purchases and balance transfers. So, this can be a great way to finance larger purchases on transfer a balance from a higher interest card and pay it off without interest for a while. Just remember that after 18 months, the APR will jump to somewhere between 17.74 and 27.74% depending on your credit worthiness. The good news is this card comes with no annual fee, so you don't have to worry about whether you are getting enough value to justify a yearly cost. However, watch out for the 3% foreign transaction fee if you plan to travel abroad. There is also a $40 late payment fee, so be sure you pay on time to avoid any penalties. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this card. So, if I talk about the pros, the flexible 3% cashback category that you can choose and change monthly, the $200 sign up bonus for spending $1,000 in the first 90 days, 0% intro APR for 18 months on purchases and balance transfers, and the no annual fee. If I talk about the cons, then the 3% foreign transaction fees, making it less ideal for the international use. Cashback beyond $2,500 in the 3% and 2% categories, that drops to 1% only. So limited 1% cashback on all other purchases. So these are some of the cons of this particular card. So, is the Bank of America customized cash reward credit card still worth in 2024? So, if you value flexibility in your cashback categories and don't mind the spending caps, the card could be a solid choice, especially with the preferred rewards program boosting your earnings. However, if you travel frequently or want higher base rewards on all purchases, you might want to consider other options. If you want to apply for this particular card, then I will put its link down in the description, so you can use that link and come to this page. Over here you need to click on the apply now button in the top right hand corner of the screen, and after waiting for some time you will be able to see the application page in front of you. Here you need to provide some of your personal details like your first name, your last name, and some of other information that it asks you to provide. After filling these details, the application process will be completed in the 4 stages and you will be able to easily apply for this card. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much for watching.